Hey guys, it is January the 4th, 2025. Last night was night 3 of work. 4 more to go to end my 7. I am taking a little look around the Wharf here in Orange Beach, Alabama this morning. Going to do a quick little drive around, show you what's on the property. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Another cold, chilly morning here in Orange Beach. 39 degrees this morning. Morning. Here on the Wharf property, there is Grander Marine and a tackle and live bait shop. We have the Orange Beach Event Center. The Spring Hill Suites. Right beside the Spring Hill Suites, at this little marina dock here, the Wharf Marina, they have some dolphin tours and other little boat excursions you can take and book. And all the boats and yachts here in the marina. Bridge going overhead there, that is the old toll bridge. Toll no longer enforced there. We'll do a drive down Main Street of the Wharf. Take a look at the shops. Turning onto Main Street here at the Wharf. take the little roundabout and come back down Main Street to show you the shops and businesses on the opposite side of the street. Over there they still have their ice skating rink up. They put that up every winter and Christmas time there. The amphitheater is straight down that road right there. But looping back around, going back down Main Street. Got a good view of the Ferris wheel and the movie theater. Build-A-Bear shop, a Sugar Shack, Southern Grind there with the blue umbrellas. Here's the new addition to the Wharf. I don't believe they have any shops that have moved in there just yet. They have completed the building and new parking area. Through the little walkway there's a green space with a stage area. Oh, there are a few shops that have moved in already. Nice little addition to the Wharf. So they've named this new little addition to the Wharf Portside on the Main. Turning here by the skate rink, they do have some charging stations now for cars. Got some Tesla ones on the other side here. They used to have a little putt-putt golf course right there in that little area, but that is been taken up. This road here leads around to the amphitheater and back around by their swimming and oasis lazy river. You see the bleachers there through the trees of the amphitheater. Boardwalk into it. And this is the back side of the amphitheater. Stage there over the front. This building here is the box office for the amphitheater. Continuing on around, we're coming up now over this little bridge. We'll come up on the swimming pool and lazy river. It's only accessible by guests and owners who are staying at the wharf. They don't sell day passes or any other entry. It's got a little lazy river that goes around it. Through there, some picnic areas and chairs. Parking area for the Oasis. Again, this is just for guests and owners staying at the wharf. Got some volleyball courts set up over there. And the amphitheater is just through the trees right there. And Main Street of the wharf is going down the road here to our left. Loading dock and area that the artists use when they're staying and performing at the amphitheater. And that's just a quick little drive around look at the wharf here in Orange Beach, Alabama. January the 4th, 2025. Thank you for watching the daily vlog. Until tomorrow.